Welcome, event ambassadors, members of the legal profession, ladies and gentlemen, to the 2020 Law Access Virtual Walk for Justice. I acknowledge the Whadjuk people of the Noongar Nation, the traditional owners of the land on which we gather this morning, and pay my respects to their elders past, present and emerging. We live in very challenging times. The health effects, the economic effects and the social effects of the COVID-19 pandemic have meant that the need for pro bono legal services are as strong now as ever. Fortunately, we have gathered together here today many members of the legal profession and volunteer law students who have been prepared to step up and provided much needed pro bono legal assistance to members of the Western Australian community. Taking referrals from Law Access, community legal centres and from the courts, these lawyers and law students have provided much needed assistance to vulnerable members of the community, to provide representation, to provide assistance in relation to issues such as homelessness and unemployment, and to bring a sense of community to all of the people in Western Australia at this difficult time. It's also an occasion for us to acknowledge the great contribution of members of the legal profession in providing pro bono legal services, as well as an opportunity to raise much needed funds for Law Access. During the walk today, I'm sure you'll be able to listen to and enjoy the podcast that has been sponsored by the College of Law, which provides reflection on issues facing access to justice in our community. Today is also tinged with a sense of sadness. It is the first Law Access Walk for Justice that has not had as one of its event ambassadors Stephen Thackeray walking with us today. The Honourable Stephen Thackeray passed away last month. He was an outstanding leader in the area of access to justice and always was a great supporter of this walk and the Law Access commitment to access to justice generally. I'm sure I join with all those walking today in remembering Stephen and his family during this time. So, with all of the other event ambassadors, join me on this walk for justice in the Law Access Virtual Walk for Justice, which I declare to be officially open. Come on, Bob.